Welcome, this is Jeff from the Watkins Tree Farm. How are you guys? I hope you're doing well, and thank you for checking into the channel. Winter storm watch, here we go again. The latest models and the latest forecasts have this area in the 6 to 8 inches. We'll believe it when we see it. We've been burned way too many times, but the Boy Scout motto, always be prepared. I have to get some wood here, get it on the porch so we don't have to trek through all the snow if we get it, for wood for the fireplace. And how do you guys prepare for a winter storm? And here in Kansas, we don't get over 4 inches very often. So a 6-inch snowfall will be probably a 1 in 3 or 4 year storm. So like I said, we'll believe it when we get it, but got to be prepared. So we're getting the wood up to the porch, and I'm going to take you guys along, and hopefully at the end of this video we'll be plowing snow. Hey guys, I wanted to jump in here real quick and kind of get weather geeky on you. I use 2 weather apps. I use AccuWeather and I use Weather Underground. I've been watching this storm on the models for a week. It's been all over the place. Here in the last few days, it's kind of settled south of us. The storm totals went from 8 to 12 down to, now we're back to down maybe 4 inches. For tonight on AccuWeather, they are showing 1.9 inches. And then for tomorrow, they're showing 1 inch. I also use Weather Underground, and they are showing 2 inches and then over a ½ an inch tomorrow. As I said earlier in this video, we're under a winter storm watch. Well, they changed that to an advisory. What that means is it's not as bad as they first thought. Now, the National Weather Service released this afternoon, and just south of Salina they're saying 4 to 6, maybe 7 inches. So we do not know, they do not know. All we know is there's going to be a storm tonight and some snow. So hopefully tomorrow, guys, I am buried in snow here at home, and I go get my 1026R John Deere tractor, and we get us unburied, and we have a cool little video for you guys. Well guys, the storm wasn't a bust. We ended up with about 3 inches of snow, and we got quite a bit of drifting around the house anyway. Out in the open, everything is kind of blown clear and free, but all that clear and free snow's got to go somewhere, so it settles in the areas where there's not much wind. So I am going to clean up around the house with the John Deere 1026R and get that all cleaned up before I freeze my tail off. I think the wind chill's probably in the single digits. It's 19, 18 degrees right now, and I have maybe an hour and a half of light, so I should be able to get it done. We're gonna cold start the tractor and get crack-a-lackin'. feels good to get that done, guys. It was a long day at work, and I was looking forward to getting on the tractor and do a little snow clearing. We ended up getting 3 inches out of that major storm, but it's better than nothing, and it's moisture for the Christmas trees. So I'm very happy about that. I'm still learning on the tractor, especially with snow. I didn't do too bad with the loader. There's some spots that I got some rocks there, and I'll be digging rocks out of the grass here this spring. But for the most part, I think I'm getting better with the loader work. And yeah, drive's clear, shouldn't ice up. On a sunny day, that'll be clear in about an hour. So I thank you guys for checking into the channel and seeing what we're up to out here. And it's gonna get cold, guys. But you stay warm, take care, God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.